Ksenia Evgenevna, does that mean we humans are also compensatory programs, and that death regulates our numbers? And so we keep reincarnating, life after life, in order to finally fulfill our compensatory function. It's not just a compensatory function, colleagues. We are also here to correct certain flaws. Creation itself is not perfect, and each of us has a specific role to play. This role manifests through certain actions, and we have already mentioned this. This action results in an opposite reaction, causing the system to change. Magical consciousness knows exactly when, where, and in what state the one correct action must be taken, anticipating the system's predictable response so that it can restructure itself. The highest level of magical mastery is waiting for the right moment, taking the right action, and saying the right word, all while knowing how the system will respond at that very moment. After that, the system begins to heal itself from within. Everyone else acts either instinctively or according to an external algorithm of fate or a situational algorithm which leaves them unable to act otherwise. In that case, it is the system that acts. The difference between magical consciousness and ordinary human consciousness is that an ordinary person acts according to someone else's program, whereas a mage follows their own, waiting for the exact time, in the exact place, and in the exact state of consciousness. And after that, everything happens naturally.